Hey everyone, this is a video talking about using the 2017 enhancement working with sponsors and working with adoptions. This goes hand in hand with the online adoption process, which will be discussed in another video. So let's get started. We'll use Large CEO and Angel as our login to the demo core, and we'll go to the adoption and sponsor menu. So we'll start by looking at sponsors, and we'll add a new sponsor. This would be a process for managing corporate sponsors, organizations, or even individuals if you want to track them one by one. And this can also be self-administered on the online side. So we'll take a look at starting with an email. Give it a password. Give it a phone number. And we'll make this a corporate sponsor. So put in the company name or the organization name. Joe will be our contact. So here's our primary sponsor page. You can look at more details about the sponsor, manage them, and such. Right now, there's no angels assigned to this sponsor. So if we're doing that in advance of giving the angel tags to the sponsor, we can select individual angels by clicking on this button here. It gives you a list of up to 30 angels that are available. You can manage it by age. You can manage it by gender, and you can pick somebody. So that's fine. Click on confirm. And now when we look at the sponsor, he's got one angel assigned. If we need to look at the angel again, we can click there. If we want to assign a group of angels, let's say this sponsor asked for 25 angels. I can pick a number right here, click on assign, and it goes out and assigns 25 angels automatically. It picks them at random without specification to age or gender. If I want to list all the information about the angels, I can click here. I could print it. I could do something else with it, send it to the angel to sponsor. For this sponsor, if I want to check in gifts, that means that I'm at the warehouse and received a bunch of gifts from this sponsor. It lists all the gifts that this sponsor had. I can click on a couple of them that showed up, and so it shows me only those that haven't yet checked in. And if I return and take a look at this sponsor again, this guy here, we now see that some of the gifts show that they've been received at the warehouse. So it's a way of managing what gifts have arrived, and the sponsor can log in on the adoption side and see their own information. If I want to now take a look at adoption side of the AngelWeb site, I can take a look at individual angel tags. This is listed in the order of the application ID and then the child. If I only want to see those that have not been adopted, those are available. If I only want to see those, say, that start with 30, so LG0003, that's a 3, do a search. And so that's that person. From here, I can also run a report To take a look at the details, I can check in gifts. This time it's not tied to a particular um, sponsor. Okay, so I typed in something wrong. And this again only shows those that have been adopted. If instead I want to search by a particular sponsor, and I can check them in. And that's it. That's how we use this. The Angel printing process will allow you to print those tags that are tied to a particular sponsor, so you can print them in batches. Um, and then in the other video, we'll talk about how to run the online adoption if you want to make that available to your community. Thank you very much.